How to check if iPhone battery has been boosted. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Now, scroll down and go to Battery Health as shown. Over here you can view your battery health, maximum battery capacity, cycle count, manufacture date and first use date. If the battery health is normal, this means that the phone battery is performing as expected. The maximum capacity is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. And cycle count is the number of times iPhone has used your battery's capacity. Following these steps, you can easily check if iPhone battery has been boosted.